Welcome to the Housekeeping Mastery Series, Episode 1, How to Clean an Arrival Guest Room. In this episode, we will walk you through the detailed steps of cleaning an arrival guest room in a luxury hotel, ensuring every guest experiences the highest standard of cleanliness and comfort. Before entering the room, always make sure you are prepared. Here's what you need to start. Clean and organized housekeeping cart. Fresh linens, towels, and toiletries. Cleaning supplies and disinfectants. Personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves and masks. Upon arrival at the room, knock on the door and announce yourself clearly. Housekeeping. Enter the room using the master key, ensuring the room is vacant. Now, perform an initial inspection of the room. Look for any damage or items left by the previous guest. Report any maintenance issues immediately and remove any remaining guest items to the lost and found. Start with stripping the bed. Remove used linens, including the sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers. Next, replace the bedding with fresh, crisp linens. Ensure the bed is made perfectly, with tight corners and symmetrical pillow arrangements. Attention to detail matters. A perfectly made bed sets the tone for the guest's stay. Now, let's focus on cleaning the surfaces. Dust all areas, from furniture to light fixtures, ensuring every corner is spotless. Use a microfiber cloth to prevent streaks and ensure a polished finish. Don't forget to wipe down high-touch areas like light switches and remote controls with disinfectant. The bathroom requires special attention. Begin by removing used towels and amenities. Thoroughly clean and disinfect the sink, toilet, shower, and bathtub. Use separate cloths for different areas to avoid cross-contamination. Now, it's time to clean the floors. Start by vacuuming the carpet or sweeping the hard floor, making sure to get under furniture and corners. Finish by mopping hard surfaces, ensuring the floors are left spotless and streak-free. Next, restock fresh towels, toiletries, and amenities. Ensure they are arranged neatly and symmetrically. With the room cleaned, it's time for the final touches. Set the room temperature to a comfortable level, ensure all lights and electronics are functioning, and close the curtains neatly. Add finishing touches, like arranging water bottles, snacks, and personalized welcome notes for the guest. Cleaning an arrival room in a luxury hotel is all about precision, attention to detail, and creating a welcoming atmosphere for the guest. Following these steps ensures that every guest feels valued and experiences the 5-star comfort they deserve. Thank you for watching this episode of the Housekeeping Mastery Series. Stay tuned for more tutorials on maintaining excellence in luxury hospitality.